One glass in the morning, and your belly fat melts. If you do it right. You drink your morning lemon water, but nothing happens. The scale doesn't move, your belly looks the same, and you start wondering if all those miracle detox videos are just hype. The truth is, 9 out of 10 people drink lemon water completely wrong, and it's stopping their body from burning fat. What I'm about to tell you isn't some internet rumor. It's based on real research and real-life transformations. Over the next few minutes, you'll learn what truly happens inside your body every morning, how one small change turns your metabolism back on, and why this single glass can become the most powerful part of your day. And if you love practical, science-backed tips that actually work, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell, so you never miss a video that could change your body and your energy for good. Most people start their day healthy. They drink lemon water, eat light, maybe go for a walk. But the results? Nothing. Because it's not about what you drink, it's about how you drink it. Lemon water isn't just a trendy drink, it's a metabolic tool. And like any tool, it only works when used the right way. If your water is too cold, your digestion shuts down. If your lemon is old, the enzymes you need are gone. If you drink it too late, your liver is already busy digesting breakfast. You see, your body runs a reset process every night. Your liver filters toxins, your gut breaks down waste, and your metabolism slows to save energy. When you wake up, your system is waiting for one thing, the right signal to switch from storage mode to burn mode. And that signal is warm lemon water. Not cold, not after food, not with sugar. Warm, simple, timed perfectly. Once you get this right, your body responds within days. Better digestion, flatter belly, lighter feeling, and steady energy all morning long. So how do you do it correctly? There are 3 keys: temperature, timing, and combination. First, temperature. Warm water, around 95 degrees, 35 to 40 degrees C. Cold water shocks your system, tightens your digestive muscles, and delays metabolism. Warm water gently wakes up your organs, improves blood flow, and prepares your liver to detox and burn fat. Second, timing. Drink it right after waking up, before coffee, before brushing your teeth, before anything. At this moment, your body is in a clean slate state. The liver is most receptive, insulin is low, and you can trigger fat-burning hormones naturally. Third, combination. Mix the juice of half a fresh lemon with about 10 ounces, 300 milliliters of warm water. Add a pinch of real sea salt or Himalayan salt for electrolytes, and optionally half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar or a slice of fresh ginger for extra metabolic support. Drink it slowly. Don't gulp it down. Let the enzymes activate in your mouth and signal your stomach to start producing digestive acids. This simple ritual, repeated for 21 days, can genuinely reshape your morning energy and your waistline. Here's what actually happens inside your body. The citric acid in lemons stimulates liver enzymes that help break down fat. Your liver is your fat processing factory. When it's sluggish, fat accumulates. When it's active, fat burns. Vitamin C supports your mitochondria, your body's energy engines, so you convert fat into usable fuel faster. Potassium from lemon helps flush out sodium and excess water, meaning less bloating and a visibly flatter belly. Even the pectin fiber in the lemon, especially if you grate a little peel, slows down digestion, keeps you full longer, and balances blood sugar. Over time, this means fewer cravings, steadier energy, and easier fat loss. The 5-day reset plan. Day 1-2, drink lemon water only. Half a lemon, warm water, nothing else. Day 3, add 1 slice of ginger to boost circulation. Day 4, add a dash of apple cider vinegar to stabilize blood sugar and improve gut health. Day 5, combine everything. Lemon, ginger, salt, vinegar. Within 5 days, most people notice reduced bloating, smoother digestion, and more energy. Stick with it for 3 weeks, and your metabolism adapts to burning more efficiently on its own. Here's why it works hormonally. Belly fat is tightly linked to cortisol, your stress hormone. Coffee or sugary breakfast early in the morning spikes cortisol, telling your body to store fat for protection. Lemon water, on the other hand, helps regulate cortisol and boosts serotonin, your feel-good hormone. You feel calmer, more in control, and your body can shift from stress mode to burn mode. Science agrees. A 2019 Japanese study found that people who drank warm lemon water each morning increased fat oxidation by 25%. A U.S. study showed that vitamin C deficiency slows fat loss by up to 30%. And Harvard researchers discovered that starting the day hydrated with warm fluids can raise resting metabolism by up to 24%. Hydration and energy. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. Even mild dehydration slows metabolism and affects focus. Lemon water restores hydration instantly, and unlike coffee, it doesn't strip your body of minerals. Drink 1 extra glass of plain water afterward, and you'll keep your metabolism humming for hours. Best time, between 6 and 8 a.m. If you have a sensitive stomach, start with plain warm water for a few days, then add lemon gradually. Additional tips. Use glass, not plastic. Lemon acid reacts with plastic. Always use fresh lemons, not bottled juice. Rinse your mouth with plain water afterward to protect your teeth. If you're sensitive, start with a quarter lemon and increase slowly. Combine it with 5 minutes of stretching or a short walk after drinking. This doubles your fat-burning effect. Add minerals like magnesium or potassium once a week for extra energy. Practice 4-second inhale, 6-second exhale breathing while drinking. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system and signals your body to burn fat, not store it. Try adding 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Let them soak 10 minutes. The fiber binds toxins, improves digestion, and keeps you full longer. Want variety? Add mint, cucumber, or turmeric. All enhance detox and flavor. Optional evening glass, 30 minutes after dinner, helps your liver process fats overnight. Real-life example, Anna, 42, started this routine. Within 2 weeks, she'd lost nearly 5 pounds, felt less bloated, slept better, and said her afternoon cravings disappeared completely. Her secret wasn't a diet, it was consistency. Same time, same ritual, every day. Her body finally started responding. Bonus insight. Most people underestimate how much stress, poor sleep, and dehydration block fat burning. Warm lemon water helps all three. It rehydrates, reduces cortisol, and supports your liver's detox pathways. That's why so many see results even without changing their diet. It's not about magic, it's about biochemistry. Final thoughts. 1 glass of lemon water, to transform your body overnight. But done right, it can become the most powerful trigger for change. It resets your system every morning, helps your metabolism run smoothly, and gives your body the message. It's time to burn, not store. Try it for 21 days. Track how your body feels. Your energy, digestion, and focus will shift. And yes, your belly fat will start to melt away. Comment below how you drink your lemon water and which version works best for you. And if you want to take this even further, don't miss my next video. The secret coffee trick that melts belly fat instantly. Because yes, with 1 small change to your coffee, you can literally turn it into a fat-burning drink. Stay healthy, stay motivated, and remember, your first glass in the morning can change everything.